Hey everyone, it's Deborah and I'm getting ready to draw the winner of the 200 subscriber giveaway. So I've went ahead and put in the video, filter duplicate users, and okay, we're going to get the YouTube comments. There should be 7. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to draw for is the Michaels gift cards. So here we go. Dev Move 08. And I believe her name is, congratulations first off, but I believe her name is Mary. So Mary, you won the Michaels gift card. How nice for you. Okay, hold on. My computer's acting up. Of course it is. Okay, so then the next giveaway is for the KS Craft Bunny stamp die set. And let's go ahead and see who wins this. Jennifer N12. So Jennifer N12. You won the KS Craft die set. The bunny stamp die set. Okay, and how nice. Okay, and then number 3, the third drawing is for the Carrot Bunny flower felt stickers. And let's go ahead and do that real quick. Oh my gosh, Deb, it's your, Mary, it's your lucky day. You might want to go buy a lottery ticket if you do that, because it's your lucky day. You've won 2 prizes. Okay, and then number 4, which is going to be for the Carrot Bunny animal felt stickers. Let's go ahead and do that. Jen Cabot 430, you won the 4th prize, which is the Carrot Bunny animal felt stickers. Okay. Okay, guys, so here's what we have. Dev Move 08, which is Mary, won the Michaels gift card. Jennifer N12 won the KS Craft Bunny stamp die set. Dev Move 08, which is Mary, won the Carrot Bunny flower felt stickers, so she won 2 things. And then Jen Cabot 430 won the Carrot Bunny animal felt stickers. Please email me at deborahsavon@gmail.com with your USA address. Remember, it has to be a USA address. And that's Deborah, DEBORAHSA, V as in Victor, ON @gmail.com, and email me your address and I will get those prizes out to you probably by Wednesday at the latest, guys. I still have people at my house remodeling my kitchen, so I kind of have to be here, and then I'll work Monday and Tuesday as well. So I'll probably Wednesday is when I will mail everything out. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. All right, you guys have a great Sunday. Bye.